In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload voice in Elevenlabs. By the end, you'll have your own voice file uploaded to Elevenlabs and saved in VoiceLab, ready to use in your projects. First, go to elevenlabs.io and log in. In your browser, type elevenlabs.io, press Enter, then click Login. Enter your account details and continue. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the dashboard automatically. From the dashboard, open VoiceLab. Look for VoiceLab in the main navigation or sidebar and click it. This takes you to the area where you manage and create voices. Now, click Add Voice. You'll see a button labeled Add Voice on the VoiceLab page. Click it to start the setup. On the next screen, select Instant Voice Clone or Professional Voice Clone. Pick the option that matches your needs. Instant Voice Clone is the quick, standard option to get a usable cloned voice fast. Professional Voice Clone is designed for higher fidelity results and may require more or higher quality input. Choose the one that fits your use case, then continue. Don't worry, you're not changing any settings beyond this choice. You're just choosing the type of cloning workflow you want. Next, click Upload Audio. You'll see an option to upload your sample. Click Upload Audio to open your file picker. This is where you attach your voice recording for Elevenlabs to analyze. Choose your voice file from your device. MP3 or WAV is recommended, and a clean recording works best. In the file picker, navigate to where your audio is saved, select the file, and click Open. Aim for a recording with clear speech, minimal background noise, and no music, as this helps the model learn your voice characteristics more accurately. If you have multiple versions on your computer, pick the one with the clearest audio. Once selected, you'll see the file name appear in the uploader, confirming it's attached. Now enter a name for the voice. Click into the name field and type a clear, descriptive name that you'll recognize later. For example, use your name, a project name, or anything that helps you identify this voice at a glance. Keep it simple and specific so it's easy to find in your VoiceLab list. Finally, click Create to finish uploading. Look for the Create button and click it. The upload will begin, and you may see a brief progress indicator. If your file is larger, give it a moment. This is normal. When the upload completes, you'll be returned to VoiceLab with your new voice listed. If the page shows your new voice entry without any errors, the upload worked. You can now see it alongside your other voices in the dashboard. At this point, you've completed the full process. You logged into elevenlabs.io, opened VoiceLab, clicked Add Voice, selected either Instant Voice Clone or Professional Voice Clone, clicked Upload Audio, chose your MP3 or WAV file, named the voice, and clicked Create to finish uploading. Your voice is now saved in Elevenlabs and ready to use within your VoiceLab library whenever you need it. That's it. The upload is complete, and your voice is now set up and ready to go inside Elevenlabs. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.